Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 15th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw. Yeah, the jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, but you are not interested in those 2 puzzles, but yeah, you are interested in this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku number 6927. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. One less, no. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this wheel of 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3 2s, 1, 2, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2, 3 5s, 1, 2, 3, 3 6s, 1 7, 4 8s. All right. And 2 9. So the 8s are a majority. Can I start with 8? Yes, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8 in the last row. 8 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Well, I cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, well. 1, 3, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me think. 9, 9, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 5, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Come on. Need a 4 here. Well, need a 1 here. 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so third row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6, I need to wait. 5, 5. Okay. Well. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And do we have a pair? Nope. Well, 6, 6. 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3. 1, 7, and 4. 1, 7, and 4. 1, 7, 4, and then 9. 7. Well, we have two missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Okay, now, let me see. 4. Well. Look at 3 there. Okay, 1. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Okay, 5, 2, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. Well. Need a 1 here. 1. So I need a 9 here. And I need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down we place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And we have a pair, the 7 and the 3 in this row, the 7 and the 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places left for the 7 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, so now we have 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, now 1 goes there. can count, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about the 8 then? Nope. 8, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so last row, don't need to place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down, need to place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, only to place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 place level the 7 should be here or there. Well, I don't think the 7 should be here because we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and here also a 7 in one of those 2 boxes, so it should be in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so it can be here. The 7 should be there. All right. 495. Okay, then 2, I need a 2 here. 259. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 259, and look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Here, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 294. Okay, and now, let me see. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 7 and 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 3, we have a 7 now in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Well. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.